your undergraduate experience should just make you smarter, stronger, more passionate about those things that you're curious about, and propel you to continue asking those big questions. What's the point of knowing a problem if you're not thinking about how to solve it? Why do you want to keep getting into a box? You have an opportunity to do amazing things and truly figure out what your purpose is, and there's no place that will help you do that like Hampshire. My name is Daliza Nova, and I started at Hampshire September 2006. I'm the project director for the Massachusetts MBDA, which is a minority business development agency, and interestingly enough is the newest federal agency for the US, and the only federal agency that's tasked with promoting minority business competitiveness in the market. I manage all from Connecticut to Maine, and I'm the director for that office. There is no place like Hampshire. I think we are so eager to not be bored or occupied all the time that we actually don't give ourselves the space and the time to think and process. And as soon as you go to Hampshire, you're being asked to think and to process and to slow down and to truly figure out what your big question is.